In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Google Sheets with custom margins and page breaks. This will help you format your data precisely how you want it on paper, ensuring everything looks neat and organized. Let's get started. First, make sure to open up the Google Sheet that you intend to print. You can either create a new sheet or open an existing one from your library. Once you have that open, turn your attention to the top menu. Look for the File option and go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you'll want to select the Print option, which is often also accessible by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard if you prefer using shortcuts. Once you've accessed the print settings, you'll notice several customization options available to you. To manage your margins, locate the section labeled Margins. You have a few preset options here, but for the purpose of this video, click on Narrow. Narrow margins are great if you're looking to save space and fit more data onto each page. If you need further customization, the Custom option will allow you to set the margins to your specific requirements. Now let's move on to customizing your page breaks, which is incredibly useful for ensuring each section of your data prints on separate pages according to your needs. In the Print Settings window, look for the Set Custom Page Breaks button and select it. This action takes you to a screen where you can visibly see your spreadsheet divided into pages. To adjust where the page breaks occur, simply drag the blue lines to your desired positions on the page grid. This process allows you to control exactly how much data fits on each page, preventing awkward breaks in your data presentation. Once you're satisfied with the positioning of your page breaks, you'll need to confirm them to proceed. To do this, click on Confirm Breaks. Doing so will lock in your page break settings and take you back to the print preview screen. Here, you can review your layout one last time before pressing the final print command. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Google Sheets document is printed perfectly to match your formatting needs. Adjustments such as custom margins and page breaks help create professional and easy-to-read printed documents from your digital spreadsheets. Remember, you can always go back to adjust and experiment until you find the settings that work best for you. We hope this guide helps you streamline your document printing process and bring a new level of sophistication to your printed spreadsheets.